The Chief Medical Director, University College Hospital, Ibadan, Professor Jesse Otegbayo, has described nurses as the backbone of clinical care in the world. Otegbayo stated this while declaring open the UCH School of Nursing Week 2023 with the theme Nursing with a Difference: Roles of Nurses in Curbing Quackery in Today's Healthcare System.
Nurses are the backbone of clinical care. Other professionals come from doctors to physiotherapists. They just interact with patients in a matter of minutes or so. But nurses are with the patient 24/7. And that is key in terms of the care that they receive. If any hospital will rise in terms of clinical care, it will be because of good nurses. And if it is going to go down in terms of clinical care, it is because of nurses. And finally, I want to say that it's good that you as student nurses are doing this, like you are training them from the cradle to know what it means. If you want a tradition or culture to last, you have to involve the youths or the children. And I must appreciate all the nursing leaders here for involving you right from the very onset to know what is right.
The keynote speaker, Dr. Isaiah Olabisi, who was represented by Esther Olabisi, cautioned against quackery in the nursing profession.
We have people who still does not know that they need to go to school to be trained or to become a nurse. We have statutory bodies, that regulate the practice of every profession, and nursing is not excluded. We have the the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria, right? So in general, if you see any individual who is practicing or who claims to be a healthcare professional in a country, and this individual does not possess the legal requirement by this statutory body, is who? Nurses. We must take a giant step in combating this silent cankerworm that has destroyed the healthcare system. And I want us to echo this together, the last statement, which is together. Thank you.
Also, the guest speaker, Olayinka Adekola, said fighting quackery is a collective effort and should be taken seriously.
If you want to fight against quackery in Nigeria and health system, as nurses, we can't do it alone. We must collaborate. It's everybody's responsibility. Although nurses will play a pivotal role. And then together we can build a health care system in Nigeria that is resilient, that is trustworthy, and is dedicated towards delivering quality care for all. So empowering us, we must say no to quackery. We must uphold professional excellence in Nigeria.
In their separate remarks, the principal, UCH School of Nursing, Dr. Adenike Olani, and Head of Nursing Education, UCH, Dr. Pauline Gobadaya, said that creating awareness concerning quackery is timely.
This is very timely and right for the year, because this is the period that people are really moving to stop and curb quackery in nursing.
Also, the chairman, National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, UCH branch, Comrade Fumi Faminu, said nurses must not rest until the bad eggs are flushed out of the profession. In his closing remarks, the president of the association, Emmanuel Uriowu, thanked all stakeholders in the healthcare sector and organizers for the success of the event. Awards were given to outstanding personalities in the health sector.